Hello everyone. I hope you have seen my previous two videos of the case study questions. This is the third one in the series, the mathematics in a football. In geometry, the truncated icosahedron is an Archimedean solid, one of the 13 convex isogonal non-prismatic solids whose 32 faces are two or more types of regular polygons. A normal football has 12 black regular pentagonal faces, 20 white regular hexagonal faces, 60 vertices, and 90 edges. This geometry is associated with footballs, the soccer balls, typically patterned with white hexagons and black pentagons. Alok works in a football manufacturing company. The sample sent for confirmation of consignment of 1,000 footballs was rejected due to a minor defect. When analyzed, it was found that the hexagons made in the football were not regular. Shown below is the hexagon of the sample football. We have this hexagon given to us and we need to answer the questions that follow. So the first part in the questions is which of the following is incorrect? AF equal to BC, AB equal to ED, AB equal to BC and BC equal to CD. So first of all, let us mark the coordinates of the vertices. A will be given by minus 3 comma 1, B is 3 comma 1, C is 6 comma 6, D is 3 comma 11, E is minus 3 comma 11, F, if you see, is minus 6 comma 6. I'll be needing all this, so I have marked it. Now let us see it carefully and reject which of them are not possible answers. See here, AF, if you see, and BC. If I take this as a line of the mirror line, they are exact mirror images. So that means AF is equal to BC. That means this is not the correct answer. Take AB and ED. AB and ED, if I take the line y is equal to 6, in that case, I can say that AB and ED are also the mirror images and I say that they are not the unequal lines. That means this is also correct. Let us take this part BC equal to CD. Again, BC and CD, if I try to reflect them along the line y is equal to 6. So BC and CD are also the mirror images. That means they are again going to be equal. So we are left with one last option, the C part. If I see that AB and BC, if I consider this, what is the value of AB? AB is the same line going from minus 3,1 to 3,1. So that means it is equal to 6 units. Let us find out the value of BC. BC is what? It is the line segment from 3,1 to 6,6. So using the distance formula, I get the value of BC as root 34. So that is not equal to AB. So that means this is the incorrect statement and therefore our answer is AB is equal to BC is the answer, the C part. Let us come to the second part. If O is the midpoint of CF, the coordinates of the centroid of triangle AOB are 2, 2 by 3, 0, 8 by 3, 0, 3, and 0, 3.5. Let us first of all find the coordinates of point O. O is the midpoint of CF. C is 0.66, F is minus 6, 6. So the midpoint of CF will be given by minus 6 plus 6 upon 2 and 6 plus 6 upon 2, which is equal to 0, 6. So I have this point O as 0, 6. I need to now find out the centroid of AOB. A is minus 3, 1. O is, I just now found out, 0, 6. And B is 3, 1. Okay? I know that centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Here in this case, it will be minus 3 plus 0 plus 3 upon 3 and 1 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3, which comes out to be 0, 8 by 3. So that means B option is the correct answer. 0, 8 by 3 is the centroid of the triangle. Let us come to the third part now. This one part I really liked. One of the black pentagons has AB as one of its sides. The coordinates of the vertex opposite and at a distance of 9 units from AB are minus 8, 0, minus 9, 0, 0, minus 9, and 0, minus 8. So let us first of all visualize what exactly is asked in the question. I have the hexagon given to me. Along with that, I need to put a pentagon which is having AB as one of its side. So let us try to do that. So this is the pentagon done. Now this pentagon's vertex is 9 units away from AB. That means I need to find out a point which is 9 units at a distance from AB. So that means this has to be 9 units. If this is 9 units, that means that this is my 1, 0. So 1 is gone here and 8 more downwards. So the point will come out to be, G point will come out to be 0, comma minus 8. So the D part 0, comma minus 8 is the answer. The point on the x-axis equidistant from O and F. Now, O point, first of all, what was that? O point in the previous question we had found out. It is coming out to be, it is the midpoint of CF and it is given by 0, comma 6. And F is what point? F is the point minus 6, comma 6. I need to find out a point on x-axis which is equidistant from O and F. So let that point be M, and M is given by x, comma 0, point on the x-axis. So because the distance of M is same from O and F, so OM will be equal to FM. If OM is equal to FM, naturally OM square will be equal to FM square. So I use the distance formula and I get x minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. The length of Fn given by x plus 6 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. This gives me x square plus 36 is equal to x square plus 12x plus 36 plus 36, which simplifies to give me x is equal to minus 3. So the point M will be given by minus 3, comma 0. So B part is the correct answer. We are left with the last part of the case study question. So let us come to the fifth part. The diagonals of OACB intersect at P. Then the coordinates of P are 3 by 2, 7 by 2, or 3, comma 7, or 9 by 2, comma 1 by 2, or 9 by 2, comma 7 by 2. So let us find out what this quadrilateral AOCB looks like. So let us see what is point O first of all. I mark point O, then I join OC and I join OA. Clearly, now just see here, OA is equal to CB and AB is equal to OC. So what kind of quadrilateral is AOCB? AOCB becomes a parallelogram because the opposite sides are equal. And what is the point of intersection of the diagonals of the parallelogram? I know that for a parallelogram, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. The point of intersection of the diagonals will be given by the midpoint of AC or OB. And I can say that the midpoint of AC or OB will be the point P. So let us find that out. I know that A is minus 3, comma 1, C is 6, comma 6. So the midpoint of AC, that is point P, will be given by minus 3 plus 6 upon 2, 1 plus 6 upon 2. It is equal to how much? It is equal to 3 by 2, comma 7 by 2. So I have, which is the correct answer? So 3 by 2 and 7, comma 7 by 2, that is the A part is the correct answer. So I hope you have followed this question based on the coordinate geometry, this case study. So I'll be sharing more case studies with you. Thank you so much.